Understanding your customer's pain point is not enough. The secret is, do you understand? Can you communicate their pain points better than they can communicate themselves? If you are able to do that, you're going to have a deeper connect with target audience. Your target customer are going to trust you more and they would want to work with you. If you can sit back and think about what is keeping them awake in the night, if you can sit back and think about what is the anxiety that he is dealing with, if you can sit back and think about what is the stress that he is dealing with, you're going to have amazing formula, you're going to have an amazing solution, you're going to have an amazing connect that he would want to associate with you for the lifetime. If you do this, you're going to keep your competition far away, because your competition probably is looking at sales and only sales. Most of the people are trained to be the best salesman in the universe. They are probably trained to do that, but there is a difference between sales and marketing. The best salesmen probably are not the best marketer. You need to understand your customer at a much more deeper level and understand their pain points from their perspective much better than they can communicate their pain points. So if you are able to do that, you are going to be successful beyond your imagination. In this way, if you're going to do this, your customer doesn't like to be sold. All you can do is to offer solution to solve their problem. If you want to be successful in a webinar, if you want to know more technique like this, I want you to click on the link below and join me on a live webinar where I'm going to unveil a formula called a webinar success formula, where I take you through a step-by-step process to succeed on your webinar so that you can earn more profits for webinar, you can have the best webinar conducted, and you can be successful on your webinar. Thank you so much, and I'll see you live on the webinar. Thank you.